Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Huobi HTX Wallet app on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search button and then type in Huobi to begin your search. Once you find the Huobi HTX Wallet, you can tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Huobi HTX wallet. Just wait for a while until the process is completed and you will see the open button which you can tap on to open up the app. There is also the auto open toggle which you can enable so that the application will launch automatically once the installation is done. Finally, you can open up the app and now you may continue with signing up to create your new account or log into your existing one to start using the Huobi HTX wallet on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Huobi HTX Wallet app on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next one.